My channel. So it's been a while, but I'm so excited for 2021 and I can't wait to show you guys all my new favorite products. Today's video is going to be a lash tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how I use my pre-glued eyelashes to apply on my eyes. It is super quick and easy, especially for you guys out there that are beginners and not used to wearing eyelashes. This is definitely the video for you. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Super excited for today's video, so let's jump in. So for today's lashes, I'm going with my Eyelure Pre-Glued. These are in number 117. These are the Fluttery Light. Absolutely love this style. They are so beautiful and so comfortable, and I just love how easy they apply. What I do is take it out of the packet. You can measure these against your eyes and see if you do need to trim them. However, I never need to trim these. They're always so perfect for me. So I'm going to go straight in with the left eye. Yeah, let's do the left. Then I'm going to show you guys the difference of what it looks like with one lash on compared to the other. Because I have hooded eyes, I absolutely love these kinds of lashes. I find that Eyelure do such a beautiful range of lashes that they all suit me, which is hard to find. So for me, I am so grateful. And the pre-glued lashes are absolutely amazing for on the go. As you can see, they're nice and compact. They fit in your handbag, ready to go out. I'm gonna grab my tweezers and I'm just going to carefully pull that out. The thing I love about this is that the glue on the back is black, so it really blends in. I do like to just give it a nice wiggle. What I'm gonna do is apply the middle and then I'm gonna grab either end. As you guys can see, that was like so quick and so easy. No waiting for glue to dry, my lashes on, it feels so secure. Snap the lashes together with my real lashes and just make sure that lash band is really pushed up into on that lash line, just so I get a flawless finish. As you guys can see, like super easy and super quick, like the difference, amazing. I just find they open my eyes so much and I just feel so beautiful, and just I love wearing lashes. Like I literally wear them every day. So these ones are perfect for beginners if you guys haven't worn lashes before, so give them a go. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see the difference. So as you guys can see, that just really opens up my eyes. Like the difference is just stunning. I feel because I have hooded eyes, it just makes my eyes feel a lot more open. As you can see, like this one here just looks really droopy. And I find when lashes flare up, it just really accentuates and opens up my eyes. Absolutely love it. So let's get on to the second one. Amazing, and it's on just like that. So as you guys can see, it is super easy, no waiting for lash glue. I find that's where some people come unstuck, is they're unsure of the timing of the glue. So this is perfect for anybody that is beginning with lashes and wanting to give them a go. These are definitely a must try, especially if you guys are new to the lash game. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in my next one. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will leave my social links below so you guys can also follow me on there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.